Good morning students, welcome to today's online class. I hope you all complete the homeworks and you are all study the formulas what I have given in the previous class. Shall we recall the formulas? When there is angle of inclination, what is the slope formula? M is equal to tan theta. When there is 2 points, what is the slope formula? Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. When two lines are parallel, their slope will be equal. So M1 is equal to M2. When two lines are perpendicular, M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So these are the important formulas. I hope you are all thorough with this formula, isn't it? Today, shall we start the class? Okay. All of you take your notes and book. Let's write the example 5.9. Okay. Write the question. Example. What is the question now? Find the slope of a line joining the given points minus 6, 1 and minus 3, 2. So we know that when the 2 points are given, we have to use the slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, write the formula and x1 y1 x2 y2 values. Let's write. X1 is equal to minus 6, y1 is equal to minus 3, x2 is equal to minus 3, y2 is equal to 2. Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Shall we substitute that values? So M is equal to y2 minus y1. What is the y2 value? 2 minus, what is y1? 1 divided by x2. What is x2? Minus 3. What is x1? Minus 6. Minus 6. Okay, this minus is formula minus. Okay, x2 minus x1. So x2 value is minus 3 minus x1 value also minus 6. Okay, which is equal to 2 minus 1, we have 1 divided by denominator is minus 3. Here minus into minus plus 6, which is equal to 1 divided by minus 3 plus 6, we have plus 3. Okay, so slope M is equal to, therefore M is equal to 1 by 3. Understood, students? So in the same question, two more subdivisions are there. Let's do the second subdivision. Write the question. Minus 1 by 3, 1 by 2 and 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Same procedure only. Here it is a fraction numbers. That is the difference. Same procedure we have to use. Okay. Slope M is equal to, let's write the formula. Slope M is equal to, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. What is x1, y1, x2, y2? Values let's write. x1 is equal to minus 1 by 3, y1 is equal to 1 by 2 and x2 is equal to 2 by 7 and y2 is equal to 3 by 7. Let's substitute all these values in this formula. Okay, that is equal to 3 by 7, that is y2 minus, 3 by 7 minus y1 is 1 by 2. Okay, divided by, means y2 minus y1 divided by, we have x2 minus x1. So x2 is 2 by 7 minus x1 is minus 1 by 3. Okay, so minus 1 by 3, which is equal to So here the values are fraction values. So the denominators are different values are there, is it? So we have to take the LCM. What is the LCM of 7 and 2? We know that LCM of 7 and 2 is 14. 2 3s are 6, is it? 6 minus 7 1 is 7 divided by, let's go to the denominator values. So that is denominator, there is minus into minus plus, is it? 2 by 7 minus into minus plus 1 by 3, which is equal to 6 minus 7 we have minus 1 divided by 14 divided by, let's do the denominator. Here also 7 and 3 is there. Take the LCM. What is the LCM of 7 and 3? 7 3s are 21. Is it? 21. So what is the numerator? 2 3s are 6 plus 7 1 is 7. That is equal to minus 1 by 14 divided by 6 plus 7 13 divided by 21. That is equal to minus 1 by 14. Let's take the denominator as numerator. So 13 by 21 becomes 21 by 13. So into 21 by 13. Is there any possibilities to cancel? Yes. We can divide the 14 and 21 using 7 table. Here 2 7s are 14. 3 7s are 21. What else? We have minus 1 into 3. Minus 3 divided by 2 into 13s are 26. Okay. Therefore, M is equal to minus 3 by 26. Understood? One more subdivision is there. Let us do. Write the question. 14 comma 10 and 14 comma minus 6. Same procedure we have to follow. Here also slope formula, right? Slope M is equal to, when 2 points are there, we know the formulas. Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x1 is equal to 14 comma y1 is equal to 10. x1 is equal to 14, y1 is equal to 10. And x2 is equal to 14 comma y2 is equal to minus 6. y2 equal to minus 6. Shall we substitute? M is equal to y2, that is minus 6 minus y1 is 10 divided by x2. What is the value of x2? 14 minus x1 also 14, which is equal to minus 6 minus 10. Minus 6 minus 10, we have both the same sign. We have to add and put the same sign. We get minus 16 divided by, here 14 minus 14 we have 0. Is it? So we know that any number divided by 0 is undefined. Okay, which is equal to undefined. Therefore the slope is undefined. Did you understand, students? Any number divided by 0, if we get, that value is undefined. Therefore the slope is here undefined. Understood? Okay. Shall we go to the next question? That is exercise 5.2, third question. Already first and 2 we completed, isn't it? I hope I gave homework, isn't it? I hope you all are completed. So let's do that. Exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, third question. Exercise 5.2, question number 3. find the slope of a line joining the points. First one is 5 comma root 5 with the origin. Second one is sin theta comma minus cos theta and minus sin theta comma cos theta. Okay, first one you can do it as a homework. Okay, how will you do the first question? What are the points? 5 comma root 5 with the origin. Origin means which points we have to use? 0 comma 0. Origin will be 0 comma 0. So x1 is 5, y1 is root 5, x2 is 0, y2 also 0. So first one is homework. Let us do the second subdivision. Okay. Given points are what are the given points? Sin theta comma minus cos theta and minus sin theta comma cos theta. What is the slope formula? Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. x1 y1, x2 y2 values right. What is x1? x1 is equal to sin theta, y1 is equal to minus cos theta. Write carefully, minus cos theta, x2 is equal to minus sin theta, y2 is equal to cos theta. Shall we substitute the values? M is equal to y2 minus y1, that is cos theta minus formula minus y1 is minus cos theta divided by x2 minus x1, that is x2 is minus sin theta minus x1 is sin theta, that is equal to cos theta, here minus into minus plus, so cos theta plus cos theta divided by numerator also 2 terms are there, sin theta terms, like terms both also minus, so add and put the same sign. So 1 sin theta plus 1 sin theta we have 2 sin theta. So minus sin theta we have minus 2 sin theta. That is cos theta plus cos theta is 2 cos theta by minus 2 sin theta. Is there possibilities to cancel? Yes. This 2 and 2 can be cancelled. That is equal to cos theta by minus sin theta. Cos theta by minus sin theta. So we know that positive by negative is negative only. So this can be right, which is equal to minus cos theta by sin theta. We know that cos by sin is, what is cos by sin? Cot theta. What is cos theta by sin theta? Cot theta. What is cos theta by sin theta? Cot theta. So there is minus. So what is the answer we get? Minus cot theta. Understood, students? So slope m is equal to minus cot theta. That is the answer. Shall we go to the next question? Example 5.10. The line R passes through the points minus 2, 2 and 5, 8, and the line S passes through the points minus 8, 7 and minus 2, 0. Is the line R is perpendicular to S? That is the question. R and S, two lines are there. So R is passes through the points. The line R is passes through the points minus 2, 2 and 5, 8, as well as the line S is passes through the points minus 8, 7 and minus 2, 0. What is the question now? Is the lines are perpendicular to each other? Is the lines are perpendicular? Means is the line R is perpendicular to S? Okay. How can we do? So we know the condition. Then two lines are perpendicular. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. M1 into M2 is equal to minus 1. So we have to find out the slope of each line separately. Okay. Slope of each line separately. That is, first of all, let us find the slope of the line R. Slope of the line R. Slope of the line R. We have R is passes through minus 2, 2 and 5, 8. Here x1 equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to 2, as well as x2 is equal to 5, y2 is equal to 8. What is the slope formula? So let us take slope of the line R is M1. So formula is slope M is equal to, what is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. First we are going to find the slope of the line R. Okay. So slope of the line R is M1 is equal to, let's substitute these values, y2 minus y1, that is 8 minus y1 is 2 divided by x2 is 5 minus x1 is minus 2, that is equal to 8 minus 2, 6 divided by 5 minus of minus 2, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, that become 5 plus 2, which is equal to 6 by 7. 6 by 7. So M1 is equal to 6 by 7. Let us find out the slope of the line S. Slope of the line S is M2 is equal to, what are the points of S is passing through minus 8, 7 and minus 2, 0. What is x1? x1 equal to minus 8, y1 is equal to 7. What is x2? x2 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to 0. So M2 is equal to, shall we substitute? What is the slope formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let us substitute. What is y2? 0. 0 minus, what is y1? 7 divided by What is x2? Minus 2 minus, it is formula minus, x2 minus x1. So, x1 is minus 8. So, minus of 8, which is equal to, what is 0 minus 7? Minus 7 divided by minus 2. Here minus into minus become plus 8. Okay. That is minus 7 divided by is equal to minus 7 divided by minus 2 plus 8, which is equal to minus 7 divided by, what is minus 2 plus 8? Add and put the, one is positive, one is negative, is it? So we have to subtract it, is it? And greater number sign we have to use. What is the greater number sign? Plus is there, is it? So what is 8 minus 2? 6. Okay, minus 7 by 6. Therefore m2 is equal to minus 7 by 6. m2 is equal to minus 7 by 6. What is the condition? What is the question? No, verify that whether the lines are perpendicular, is it? So what is the condition? When two lines are perpendicular, we know that m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So we can write product of their slope, we can be find out. Okay, product of their slope. Product of their slope m1 into m2 is equal to, let us multiply. What is the m1 value? m1 is 6 by 7 into, what is the m2 value? Minus 7 by 6. Is there any possibilities to cancel? Yes. So 6 can be cancelled. 7 can be cancelled. What else? Minus 1. Okay. Therefore m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So we know that when two lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, isn't it? So the lines are, product is minus 1, hence the lines are perpendicular. Okay, hence the lines R and S are perpendicular. Okay, understood? Shall we move to the next question? Example 5.11. Okay, example 5.11. Write the question. The line P passes through the points 3, minus 2, 12, 4 and the line Q passes through the points 6, minus 2 and 12, 2. Is P is parallel to Q. What is the last question? Two lines given is perpendicular to each other. What is this question? Two lines are there. Is it parallel to each other? Is it parallel to each other? Shall we do? Given the line P passes through the points are 3, minus 2 and 12, 4. Here x1 is equal to 3, x2 equal to 12 y1 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to 4. Let us find the slope of the line P. Okay. Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Shall we substitute? Which is equal to, what is y2? 4 minus, what is y1? Minus 2 divided by, what is x2? 12. What is x1? 3. Which is equal to 4 minus into minus plus 2 by, what is 12 minus 3? 9. Which is equal to 4 plus 2, 6 by 9. Shall we divide using 3 table? 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, which is equal to 2 by 3. Let us take slope of the line P, M1 equal to 2 by 3. Slope of line M1 is equal to 2 by 3. Let us find the slope of the line Q. Okay. Also given the line Q passes through the points are 6, minus 2 and 12, 2. Let's write x1 y1 and x2 y2. x1 is equal to 6, y1 is equal to minus 2, x2 is equal to 12, y2 is equal to 2. Okay. So slope equal to, slope of the line M2 is equal to, shall we substitute that values? y2 minus y1, that is 2 minus, y1 is minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, that is 12 minus 6, which is equal to 2 minus 2, that is 2 plus 2 divided by 12 minus 6, we have 6, that is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 by 6. Okay. Shall we cancel using 2 table? 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 2 by 3. That is M2 is equal to 2 by 3. So check your slopes. So slope of the line P also 2 by 3. Slope of the line Q also. Slope of the line Q. Okay. Q is M2. Q also 2 by 3. So we know that when two lines are parallel, their slope must be equal. So both the slope we got it same. Thus, what we can write? Thus, slope of the line P is equal to slope of the line Q. That is M1 is equal to M2. Therefore, the lines P and Q are parallel to each other. Understand, students? When two lines are parallel, we know the condition M1 is equal to M2. So that separately both lines slope we have to find out. So after that we have to check it whether the slopes are equal or not. If the slopes are equal, we can say the two lines are parallel. Okay. So the homework already I have given, isn't it? What is the homework? Today's homework exercise 5. Question number 3, first subdivision. Okay. Exercise 5.3, question number 3, first subdivision. You can do as homework. Okay. Thank you, children.